Welcome to Abstrabras. In this video, I will show how to share Excel file with multiple users online. To do that, go to google.com, click Google Apps icon, select Drive, open a new sheet file by clicking New, Google Sheets, or select a sheet file that is already present in your Google Drive that you want to share. So this is that sheet file that we want to share. Now to share it, if the sheet is opened, click Share button. Or you can do it from here as well. Share. Let's share the file. In this box, you can add people by using their email address. They will receive invitation to collaborate on this file via their email address. Once they accept, they will be able to join you to edit and use this sheet. If you want to not keep it tightly restricted and the work is not confidential, then you can select a different method to share this file. To do that, click Restricted. Select anyone with the link. Copy the link. That's it. Now share this link with anybody you like to share this file with. They can use this sheet and edit it with you after following that link. Click Done. And this is how you can share Excel file with multiple users online. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.